Subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we will discuss about decision surface k nearest neighbors. This class is very important to understand. We will give a graphical intuition on what decision surface is. This graphical intuition will help you a lot in understanding our next concepts. What are those concepts? Underfitting and overfitting in k nearest neighbors. For understanding of this class, we need some of the concepts which we already discussed in our previous classes. We discussed about what's k nearest neighbor, how it works, and how it works in classification and regression models, all these concepts. So our assumption is you have already watched all those classes. So please watch those classes and come back here. So coming to decision surface, let's take an example and understand what decision surface is. The example dataset which we consider here is, let's take this dataset. In this dataset we are having positive points and negative points, and the points looks like this graphically. So what's decision surface means? Let's take a testing data point here. If you have a testing data point, here our assumption is k is equal to 5. If k is equal to 5, what's our model predict for this testing data point? It will identify the k5 nearest points. All are negative points. So our model will say it as a negative data point. This testing point is predicted as negative. Like that, if you take a point here, our model will predict as a negative point because most of the negative points are nearest to this point. Like this, the surface area before the surface, because if you take a testing point this side, our model will predict it as a negative data point. If you take a testing point this side, our model will predict it as a positive point. This is what decision surface is. Means decision surface is giving a clear distinction between if you take a testing point, if your testing point lies in this area, what our model will predict. If your testing data point lies in this area, what our model will predict. That's the distinction given by decision surface. Let's take one more example so that we'll have a better understanding on what decision surface is. The same example we are taking it as k is equal to 1. So what's the decision surface we'll get here? This is the decision surface we'll get here. So why we got this decision surface? If you take a point here, because we are taking k is equal to 1, the one nearest point here is this negative point. If you take a point here, this is near to negative point. Other than these points, these are nearest to positive points. That's why our decision surface is like this. So this graphical intuition will help a lot in understanding our next concepts. What are those? Underfitting and overfitting concepts in k nearest neighbors. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.